This channel here gets over 10 million views every single day and on average 17 million views per day. It's this channel here, and the only type of content they post is short form content. Best of all, they don't even make any of this content themselves from scratch. This type of content earns about $100 per 1 million views. So with 17 million daily views, this channel could be earning around $1,700 per day. I've done some research for you guys, and just to back up the number that I mentioned before, you can see that someone on YouTube shared their earnings from a similar channel, and they made $2.4 thousand from 23.5 million views. So that's an average of $100 per 1 million views. I went one step further and tested it myself on a brand new channel. You can see I set up this channel on the 29th of December 2023. I've posted 2 shorts on a brand new channel on the 30th of December and 31st of December, and one of them has already had 17,000 views. There will always be people out there who think that this strategy never works for brand new channels, so this is exactly why I've done this, to prove to you guys that this works on a brand new channel. Alright, so let's see exactly how this works. Let's take a closer look at this channel, FitFix. First of all, this channel is quite new. It was set up on the 23rd of April 2023. So this channel is 8 months old. They only publish YouTube Shorts videos. They don't have any other type of content. And a lot of their content already has had close to or over 100 million views. Check this out, 122 million, 118 million. And if we go into their latest videos, you can see that a lot of their content gets over 1 million views within just a few days. And if we look at the stats of this channel within Social Blade, we can see that this channel gets an average of 17 million views. So this is all from YouTube Shorts. Now guys, the best thing is that they don't make their own videos. All of these videos are originally sourced from other platforms, mostly from TikTok. So take, for example, this video. If we open it up, you can see this is the video. And if we go into the comments, then we can find the actual original video. We can see here they're giving credit to Kaylee Pamplin 2 via TikTok. So if we Google for this handle on TikTok, then we can open up the TikTok profile. And here is that video. So basically, the person who owns FitFlix has taken this video from TikTok and then just downloaded it, and they changed it. So they've added voiceover and they've added these jumping captions to the video to significantly alter the video itself. So this is how this channel makes money on YouTube without making videos themselves from scratch. Many of you will be thinking, okay, but does this content get monetized? And will this kind of content get struck by copyright? If we look at YouTube channel monetization policies and specifically the reused content guideline, and you can see that YouTube themselves are saying if you put a funny or thoughtful spin on content you didn't originally create, you've transformed it in some way. And it's fine to have this type of content on your channel. So we allow reused content if viewers can tell there is a meaningful difference between the original video and your video. And examples of what's monetized: using clips for a critical review, a scene from a movie where you've rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover, reaction videos where you comment on the original video. So this type of content is allowed to be reused and monetized by YouTube themselves. And the second issue, of course, is copyright. You can see YouTube themselves are mentioning copyrights just to make sure that you've actually got the proper rights to use this kind of content. And this is where you should be contacting the creator of this video and asking for permission to use that content. I have personally done this. You can see the proof right here on the screen. I've asked for permission to reuse the person's content, and they said, of course, as long as you give credit. Step 1, remember that it's important to actually have a niche. This channel here, FitFix, is focusing on types of videos where it's got something to do with sports, something to do with fitness. If all of a sudden they started posting dance videos, that would actually significantly reduce the amount of views that they're getting, because all of a sudden people who are interested in sports are starting to get dance videos. Therefore, it would not really make sense to mix the two types of content together. So make sure that you choose the type of content that you want to publish and stick with that type of content for your audience. Or here is another example of a channel in a slightly different niche. This one is focused on football or soccer, and they're also getting hundreds of thousands and even millions of views on some of their shorts. Step 2, decide what type of content you'd like to post as your first video. For that, you can go to any of these similar channels and take a look at the kind of content that has done well for them. So just sort either by latest or by most popular tag. You'll be able to see here, for example, that this video has been proven to be viral. This is absolutely terrifying. So this kind of bungee jumping, terrifying bungee jumping sort of video has done really, really well. You actually will even be able to see here, if you go into comments, the actual account from TikTok or Instagram where this video has been downloaded from. For your TikTok research, you may need to use VPN to be able to see some of the videos that are only available to the United States. So I always use VPN. I always connect via United States, and this way I'm actually able to see all of the content. So then go to explore, and this way you will be able to see the most viral clips either by category or by keyword. So if you wanted to go into sports, for example, you could then see the videos that are most viral right now that maybe you will want to download and make into a video for your own channel. As an alternative, you could just go into the profile of this same person. So you can see here, this is the exact same video that FitFix have edited into their video over here. Okay, so this is the actual video. See if maybe you can use some of the other videos on this account, or alternatively check out what tags this video used. So they've used adrenaline and bungee jump, and then you can research by the same tag in the explore tab. So here we can type in bungee jump and then see what kind of videos we get. Maybe you'll find something even better. So here is another video, for example, that has had 41 million. And if you don't want to be a copycat, you just want to use this video to create something similar but not exactly the same, then perhaps you could use this video instead. So get in touch with the owner of this content, get their consent, and then download the video, which I'll show you in just a second. Next step, write the script. So this is the script of the video from this channel over here. So you can simply just listen to it and write it down as you're listening to it. Again, I don't recommend to copy this word for word. You want to be original. So go ahead and rewrite this in your own words. Then go ahead and record this voiceover. You can just do this on your mobile phone. You can use your microphone if you've got a microphone. You can also use this service called 11 Labs. They are one of the best speech synthesis software services out there. So you can simply just insert your text and it'll produce a super realistic voice output for you. Okay, next step is to download the actual TikTok video. For this, you can Google for any video downloaders for TikTok. The one that I've personally used, and it seems to do a really good job, is this one called SafeTT. So you will just need to paste your TikTok video URL over here. So if we're downloading this video, then you simply grab this URL, go to TikTok downloader, paste that URL here, click search, then make sure that you've got the MP4 format chosen and click download. To actually edit the video, you can use any software that you'd like. A good free option is CapCut. You can download the CapCut editor for free. I'm going to show you how to put the video together in CapCut. So go and import the video that you've just downloaded, or if you've got more than one video, then import more than one video. Okay, so here, for example, I've got this video that we downloaded just earlier. I'm going to drag it to the timeline over here, and now I can zoom in on it. I can edit it. I can cut bits out as I need. So here we've got our video part and we've got our audio clip. So all you need to do now is just align the audio with the video the way that you'd like it laid out. So I want to take this bit of audio, my first comment on the video, and for that I just need to select this clip, and you can either click split or just press Command B on your Mac or Control B on your PC. Okay, like this. And now we delete the part that we don't want. Then I'm going to place the cursor again at the end of this first phrase, and I'm going to press Control B again like this. And I've now got this bit that I can put at the very front. Okay, so now I'm going to play them together, and I can see that my voiceover is playing along with the video. So you can just do the rest of the audio file. Make sure that you position the audio commentary in the places where you want it to appear. Next, you'll want to do the text effect. So for that, go into text, and where it says auto captions, I want to choose the language. So for me, it'll be English, and then click create to create the auto captions to get this nice jumping text. So now we've actually got the captions. You can see that we've got a brand new track that has appeared with the captions. Select the first one, and let's now apply some of the effects to make sure that it's nice and captivating. First of all, select text at the top. Make sure that one of your text items is selected, and make sure that you click apply to all to be editing all of them at the same time. And here now we want to go to the basic properties, and now you want to choose the font. 3 good fonts to use are here: Montserrat, the bold font, and the Luckiest Guy. Let's go with the bold font. And you want to make it a little bit larger, so let's adjust the size of it. This looks pretty good. And now let's apply an animated effect. So select all of the captions and go into animation, and the effect that I like to use is located under where it says in out loop captions. Then you go into captions, and here it says pop animation. So this one over here, apply it to all of your captions at once. And let's see how it's looking so far. So we've got the video, we've got this really nice effect of the text jumping in. Maybe the lines are a little bit too long. If you wanted to split the lines a little bit, you could just go into captions here at the top and then click where you want the split to be and simply hit the enter key. Okay, so I'm going to split it to make it a little bit shorter. Let's just do the same thing again. And you can now see that it's going to pop up just a few words at a time with this nice animated effect. Okay, so this is looking a lot better. It's looking now super engaging. It looks like a really nice viral video. So this is definitely good enough to be uploaded. So go ahead and upload this video to your channel. Again, don't copy the exact title, but get some ideas from exactly how this title has been created, what kind of tags this channel has used, and do something very similar because this is already proven to work. In terms of monetization, I just want to stress once again that YouTube allows you to monetize reused content as long as you significantly transform that content. So a reaction video where you comment on the original video is okay to be monetized. A scene from a movie where you've rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover is okay to be monetized. So this is what we have done with this video right now. In terms of copyright infringement, make sure that you get permission from each of the owners of the clips that you are intending to use. I've done this with my videos, okay? So definitely do not steal any content, but most people will be happy to give you permission to use their footage as long as you give them credit. So make sure then to give credit the same way that this channel has done. And as you post more and more videos, here is how your channel can become eligible for monetization. So for YouTube Shorts, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and you also need to get 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days. So in effect, this means about 111,000 YouTube Shorts views per day for a period of 90 days to hit these 10 million valid public short views. This might sound like a lot, but don't worry because many channels have started from zero, from nothing, and have gotten there really, really quickly. It will require work and dedication on your part, but this channel, FitFix, you can see that they only started in April 2023. They started from nothing, and they're now getting 17 million views per day on average. Here is another channel. They've got 67,000 subscribers. They've only posted 12 videos. And they only started on the 27th of November. So this is just over a month old. And they're now getting over 5 million views per day. Okay, so the average is a little bit lower, but their last few days have been 3 million views, 5 million views, 7 million views. You can also get there reasonably quickly, but you do need to put in that work and create those videos. So you now have two choices. You can finish watching this video and say, this is all BS and none of this will work and move on to the next video. Or you can make a choice to actually commit to this method, do this for a month, do it for 2 weeks, commit to making 50 videos because some of your videos will fail, some of them will be successful. Don't give up after 1 or 2 failed videos. Make sure you learn from the experience and actually take the steps needed to implement this method. And if you thought this was useful, then drop a comment below just under this video and say, I'm gonna do this, or tell me that you liked the video. This way I'll know what kind of content to create for you guys in the future. And if you want to learn a new and innovative way to create your YouTube Shorts video by simply clicking a button inside a very cool software, then go ahead and watch this video next. In this video, I show you exactly how to do this with a few clicks of a button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.